We are pleased to show you 2017 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, universal garage door opener, clock, fog lights, trip computer, power brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.